Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Farmer's Farm, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do cuttings, and the cuttings will be performed on the periwinkle flowers. And it has a lot of branches, so I'm going to do a couple cuttings from it, and this is just one way of cloning your periwinkle plant. And when I say cloning, I mean getting other plants from your periwinkle plant, right, that are similar in characteristics. So I'm going to show you how to do the entire process, and I hope you learn something. As I always say, knowledge is power. So let me take you on the journey. Pleasant viewing. There are some very important guidelines to follow when you are going to make a cutting from your plant. Number one, ensure that the hair that you choose to cut is free of pest and disease. Number two, ensure that the branch is vigorously growing. Number three, ensure that you make the cut below a node, and basically a node is where you will see new leaves coming out or you will see buds forming. Number four, use a secateur like this that I have in mind. Ensure that it is sanitized and make your cut anywhere between 3 to 6 inches in length. So I have made my cut. Number 5, strip away 2/3 of the leaves from your cutting like this. Ensure that you move all flower growth from the cutting. Reason being, flower growth will take away too much nutrients and energy from the cutting, and you do not want the cutting to be focusing all its energy and nutrients towards flower growth. What you want it to be focusing on is root development. As you can see, I have stripped away 2/3 of the leaves from the cutting, and this is mainly because of transpiration. And transpiration is basically the loss of water from the plant through their leaves. And having a cutting like this, you do not want it to be losing too much water, because guess what, it is just starting off, right? So what you want to do is just strip away 2/3 of the leaves, and then this will reduce the amount of water that is lost to the atmosphere due to transpiration. And as you can see, some leaves are left back, not much, and this is because at the end of the day there's a process known as photosynthesis, and you still want your cutting to be able to photosynthesize, and this is how the plant makes food, right, to really drives its processes. So you want to still leave some leaves on the cutting to aid in that process. So as you can see, this is one cutting and this is ready to be planted. All we need to do is just dip this cutting in some rooting hormone, and rooting hormone is what will help to promote rooting, and this just stick this in Pro Mix. You could use Pro Mix, is basically a starter medium. You could put that in a container and just stick the cutting in the mix, right, which I'll show you. So this is one cutting. I'm going to basically do 2 more, right? So here are my 3 cuttings, right? And as you can see, this is how I prepared them. Ensure that the leaves are stripped off, and so on. Ensure that I remove the flowers, and ideally you want to select a branch that or a part of the stem that is not flowering, and so on, right? But if it is flowering, no problem, you still can use it, you just need to remove the flowers, right? So this is what it looks like. So here we have 3 plant pots, small plant pots. As I said, these pots will only be for starting these cuttings. So what I'm going to do is, we have our rooting powder here. This is our rooting powder. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to let us just snap off a little piece. Right, so we're going to dip our cutting in the rooting hormone, and this is to promote rooting, right? Right. Right, and we're just going to stick this in the pot. Right. So this one, let us take off a couple more of the leaves and just dip this in the rooting hormone. Right, stick this in. Right, let's take off a couple more leaves. Let us dip this into the rooting hormone and make a little hole. Right, so this is completed. As you can see, I have already moistened the Pro Mix, so I am going to just lightly water these now. So this is basically how I do cuttings for the periwinkle, right? And this is basically this can be done across a wide range of plants. Thanks again for viewing, and I hope this helps you. I hope you can go ahead now and do your cuttings on your flowers, right? And as I always say, knowledge is power. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.